So we start off my drone, I do like a 2 week drone unit. The first week is kind of the mechanics of drones. Like, okay, we start off on the simulator and drone blocks. Then we actually put the drones in their hands. And they're doing simple missions and doing their own kind of like test flights. Like, okay, how do you take off and land? How do you do a flip? How do you yaw? How do you throttle up, throttle down? Those kinds of things. And then we work our way into the drone blocks mission, or the drone legends missions. So as far as that goes, like I have the teams already prescribed. And then, from the drone legends that, Scott's big on the roles. Okay, who's the pilot? Who's the safety manager? Who's, what I'm getting at. So we have the roles assigned. And then when the kids come in, I have like copy paper box lids. That's like the one thing I take the most out of the copy room is copy paper boxes. I don't make copies. So I just take the copy paper boxes and their lids, and in the lids, I've got their clipboard, their tape measure, the drone, the batteries, the safety glasses. So the lead person of the team, whether it's that day, it might be the safety coordinator, it might be the pilot. Okay, go get your box for your team. And they go in my back room, grab the box, bring it to the table. And then we do the debriefing, right? So we're in the academy, just like Scott has set up. Hey guys, we're in the academy. Let's talk about today's mission. And we do the debriefing. Any questions? All right, let's go. So then we have to go down the hall. I don't have enough room in my classroom to fly these missions because I have like 20 kids in the class. So we have a nice open corridor down in the center of the building. Plus it's away from classes because I used to fly outside my room and all my teachers would hear was like, zzz. So we go to a remote location where there's no classes that we can interrupt. So they go down their teams and I have like pylons, like almost like the old, like the little plastic soccer cones that they use on soccer fields. So I set those up and the kids have their area and they set up whether it's the obstacle or whatever the mission requires and they run their mission. And I'm getting my steps, just going back and forth from team to team to team and overseeing that. So it's chaotic, but it's good chaos.